Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a salty snack but trying to watch your carbs? I've got the answer for you right here. You know that feeling when you find a wonderful low-carb snack that just makes you happy to be alive? Well, I have found that in these Southern recipe pork rinds. The flavor that I have is sea salt and cracked black pepper flavor, and they are fantastic. I have struggled with my weight for years, and what I really crave is chips, and I love that I have found that salty crunch in these pork rinds. They have a wonderful crunch to them, and you can see the flavor on them. It's subtle, it's delicious, and it's not overpowering, which makes them wonderful for cooking. Going low carb, I miss chicken nuggets, I miss breaded things, and I figured out that you can cook with these. You can use them as breading on your favorite chicken and fish. You can top them with salads and do a ton of other things with them, and they taste delicious. I also love that they come in these little portable bags, so they're very easy to take a snack on the go. We all know how hard it is to find low carb snacks when you're on the go. These pork rinds are delicious. They're exactly what I wanted when I was craving a salty snack. I think you'll love them too, but that's just my point of view.